Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write an agreement letter. What is an agreement letter? An agreement letter is a formal document that outlines the terms and conditions of an agreement or contract between two or more parties. It serves as a written record of the agreed upon terms and helps ensure that all parties involved have a clear understanding of their rights, responsibilities, and obligations. Agreement letters can cover a wide range of topics, including business partnerships, employment agreements, rental agreements, and more. They typically include details such as the names of the parties involved, the specific terms of the agreement, any deadlines or milestones, and any relevant legal or regulatory requirements. Agreement letters are legally binding once signed by all parties involved and can be used as evidence in the event of a dispute. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write an agreement letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, write your full name. And write your home address, as well as your personal contact information, like phone number and email address. You can either put them as the letterhead or on the left side. After that, write the date of the letter. You may use the format of month, date, and year. For the next, you can write the name of the recipient. It is the one you have an agreement with. And then, write the recipient's home address. Don't forget to include the home number, street name, city, state, and zip code. Once you complete this information, now you can open the letter with salutation. Simply write, "Dear Mr. or Ms. or Mrs., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the opening paragraph, you can begin by introducing yourself and the person you have an agreement with. And state also the purpose of the agreement letter. For example this agreement is entered into by and between John Smith and Sarah Davis, effective November 25, 2023. Writing the date here is necessary, so you shouldn't skip it. And then, for the body paragraphs, you can provide a detailed description of the terms and conditions of the agreement. When you write it, you have to be specific and include all relevant information. They are such as names of parties involved, key dates, obligations, responsibilities, payment terms, and any other important details. So, this is the example. Number 1. Purpose. Here, write what kind of agreement you have. And write the job desk or anything that you and the recipient must do in this agreement. For example the parties agree to collaborate on a marketing campaign, with John Smith providing graphic design services, and Sarah Davis overseeing the marketing strategy. Number 2. Campaign duration. Write the prompt date by using the format of month, date, and year. For example, this collaborative effort will extend for a period of 3 months, commencing on December 1, 2023. Number 3. Termination. In this section, write the terms and conditions about termination. What you or the recipient must do if one of you or both want to terminate the agreement. For example either party may terminate this agreement with 30 days written notice. Number 4. Governing law. This agreement is subject to and governed by the laws of Illinois. You may also write the details about it or just enclose it along with this letter. Number 5. Signatures. This agreement may be executed electronically. For the closing paragraph, you can express your willingness to enter into the agreement, and your expectations for a mutually beneficial partnership. Mention any next steps or actions required. For example, you can simply write something like, in witness whereof, the parties hereto have executed this agreement as of the date first above written. And for the complimentary closing, you can use a formal closing, such as, sincerely, or, best regards. Wait, this is not the end. You have to put your signature. And the recipient's signature too. Write the full names. And you can also write the date when you and recipient signed. Since you are in different place with the recipient. And you can give 2 copies of this, and ask the recipient to send one back with the recipient's signature. And you can also include enclosure. Write under the signature. Write something like, list any documents or attachments included with the letter. So, that's how you write a proper agreement letter for 2 parties step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.